Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, you're going to learn how to create round-robin bookings. Now, round-robin bookings allow you to assign multiple team members to one appointment, so your customers can either choose the person they want to work with, or let the system automatically assign a team member based on availability. Now, as a quick note, round-robin bookings are made from your team's booking page, not individual team members' pages, meaning that you, as the account owner, will create the appointment or booking type and then assign that to your team members rather than having them within their own individual accounts create the appointment type there. Now, first, make sure you're signed into your team's account. Go to Booking Pages and click on Appointments. Then let's click Edit, this one right here. Now, on the left sidebar menu, you can see this Team Members option. Just click that and you'll see all the team members that are assigned for this appointment. You can add more team members or delete existing ones, it's up to you, but make sure to click Save for changes to be saved. Now let's go back to the General Settings page. Scroll down to the bottom and make sure to check this box right here. This allows your clients to select which team members they want when booking this appointment. Again, don't forget to click Save when making any changes. An important note here is that each team member's availability needs to be set up individually in their own account. Make sure that's all configured properly to ensure everything runs smoothly. And that's how to set up and utilize round-robin appointments. I hope that helps.